kids, let's learn some colors and shapes. Violet color, blue color, brown color, sky blue color, yellow color, light pink color, light green color, dark green color, black color, red color, peacock green color, orange color. This is black color. Let's draw the shape. Star. Square. Circle. Heart. Triangle. Hexagon. Dark green color. Star. 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 Dark green color. Sky blue color. Square. Square. Sky blue color. Light green color. Circle. 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 Light green color. Blue color. Heart. 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 Blue color. Brown color. Triangle. Triangle. Brown color. Black color. Hexagon. 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 Black color. Dark green color, sky blue color, light green color, blue color, brown color, black color. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.